Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here, just bringing off the finishing touches on today's install, which is on a Toyota Land Cruiser 2010 model. This system had the original navigation in as well as the amplified speakers, which it works fully in conjunction with. As you can see, this is the whopping 13.6 inch size screen, which is on our website. I think it's a TZ1817X model. I'll also put the link into the description down below to show you the model here. Now it's a bit of a bright day today. Unfortunately, we can't do our installs over night time, which basically would make the screen look nice and colourful and with non-glare, but unfortunately it's the middle of the day, the sun's out, and you do get a little bit of glare. But as you can see, it is a spectacular unit anyway. So all these buttons here, which are incorporated into the system, which is obviously on your old screen. These here are the cap buttons for case you have the stop-start button. So all these will work with the car. As you can see with the flashing there, AC comes on. So now, because obviously you do remove the AC buttons down below, all this becomes then digital on the screen, as well as obviously heated seats and stuff like that, and heated windscreen. So obviously this all works with in conjunction with the car. The fan speed, as you can hear them coming on. There you go. So it just gives you a little bit of an indication of what you get on the system here. This is the home page, which you're seeing, and all these icons along the top is obviously your applications, which you can slide across. We can start off with navigation, which gives you Google Maps, which is an online map, but you can also download some offline ones there. There is other ways of getting Google Maps onto the system, but this is an online map which you need a data connection with your phone or a 4 or 5G dongle. There is an alternative to use Google Maps without connecting to the internet through the hotspot and the SIM card, and I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, so I'll just go on to the next one, which is your radio, which is what you see here. As you can see, this is the radio application here, which is obviously all your radio stations. It does have RDS, which obviously shows the station name just here, and also you can put it down into your favourites a bit further on down below there. So the next one I'm going to show you is the music app, which is basically if you wanted to put your music, you just lower this down off the steering wheel, which I'll show you also works too. Now this screen, this is obviously music playing from a connected phone. I'll just go into the applications here. This is where all your apps are to the system here. Apologies on the reflection, as I say, it's a bit of a sunny day today, but this is where any applications that will be downloaded onto the system. Some of these are preset into the firmware, so can't be deleted, but obviously if you download something from the built-in Play Store onto here, this is where your applications would go. Okay, your video on there, it was where you play movies from a pen stick through this application here. This is a demo one, which is just here, so we'll just do it down below or up above. And that's where your movies will play. Okay, the Dsp Sound Processor. This is where it allows you to enhance each speaker and optimize it. So there's loads of different optimization icons you can play around with. We'll admit it's a bit too far technical for my liking, but as I say, some people are whiz kids when it comes to speakers and output subwoofers and stuff, so that's an ideal processor center that you can play around with. Okay, here's your Play Store. This is where you log onto the Play Store. And you would download all your applications from. We're just currently doing some updates onto the system itself, so obviously that's what you're seeing then. Okay, here's an Explorer app, which basically is just a browser. If you want to go start searching for Iceboxauto products, you just basically look in there and search for us. Bluetooth, this is your Bluetooth menu interface, which basically where you you connect your phone through. It's got phone book support, which I haven't uploaded mine, but obviously, but you can do that. And also you got your music streaming if you wanted to stream music from your phone. Console, this is a good little app. This is basically relevant to your car's CAN bus and showing information on here. So obviously if you wanted to go into car settings here, you'd have a lot of options. Let's see if I can get rid of some big glare on there. So you have a lot of options here for like the car's computer information here, and options to actually switch things over, like park sense and auto lock on the doors and stuff like that. TPMS info. Let's say this car has got TPMS today, so it's not going to show. Amplifier info, and it shows you where you can see a lot of your speakers and your bass and your treble and stuff. Okay, another one, phone link, mirror link. here. It only works with some phones, so we don't actually promote this on our web pages, but this one will only work with some phones, just these, because it's been phased out on the firmware. So what you'll find, the more that you update your phone, the less compatible it'll be with it. So obviously we don't sell with it. CarPlay, this is your CarPlay Android Auto app. So obviously I'm using an Apple phone today, so this is where it shows you your CarPlay. As you can see, all these little applications that have come through from your phone. So it's an easy way of getting DAB radio onto the system. I'm just going to go off that because my video normally ends. For some reason, when you play CarPlay and then you're doing a video on the same phone connection, then sometimes your videos stop. File Manager, just basically a lot of the back-end memory settings and applications that are stored on the system. If you plug a USB pen into here, it would show up in here and show obviously any files on there. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm just going to bring it to an end. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comment section down below, or get in touch with us. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.